He's back. The legend has returned. In summer 2020, a man that goes by the name of Keith Gill, also known as Roaring Kitty, made a video explaining why he was bullish on GameStop's stock, quoting many articles and press releases from the company and its board of directors. While so many people's view of GameStop was extremely negative, he was still able to look past everything being said about the digital age and find a chunk of gold in this pile of supposed garbage. Listen to what he says here about why he thinks Wall Street and investors are wrong about the digital age.
This transition to digital, I think it's just much slower than what's being priced in. It seems to me that it's been happening over time. I do think it's inevitable. Like if we're looking out 50 years, 100 years, we don't need to have a discussion because we're on the same page. Everything's going to be digital. I just don't think we're there yet.
He points out that the digital age is inevitable, but investors are way ahead of themselves on the timing of this, and in 2020 there are a lot of console releases that are a positive catalyst to the company. At the time, GameStop had a lot of short sellers, meaning they would borrow shares to sell it at a price in the hopes that it would go down to buy it back at a cheaper price to keep those profits. GameStop around this time also had a short interest of over 140%, which means that people were borrowing more shares than even existed to continue to short the stock. When a stock is shorted so heavily and it backfires, like in the case of GameStop, the investors shorting the stock have to buy back their shares that are borrowed. So as more people bought GameStop and investors had to buy back their shares to cover their short positions, it sent GameStop absolutely parabolic. This is called a short squeeze. Since June 18th, 2021, Keith Gill hasn't made his presence known online, not on Reddit or on Twitter. But today, he tweeted this, a meme of a gamer who is sitting in a lax position and then goes into focus mode. As a result of this tweet, GameStop went up over 100% in a single day and trading was halted multiple times. AMC also found itself up over 300% at one point since the tweet. Are meme stocks back in action, or is this just a short-lived moment in time?